it went wrong. I know I'm feeling sorry for me.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Colossians chapter 3 verse 10. You have put on a new man who is renewed in knowledge according to the image of Him who created him. Ang gusto po ng Panginoon sa atin ay magkaroon tayo ng pangalawang pagkakataon sa lahat ng mga bagay sa buhay natin. Minsan nahihirapang magbigay ng pangalawang pagkakataon. Katulad po kay Onesimus, no? Na itinakwil minsan pa ni Philemon, ngunit nung siya po ay tinrain po ni Paul, sinabi ni Apostle Paul sa kanyang sulat na this Onesimus who once was unprofitable to you, but now is profitable to me, to you and to me. So si Paul po ay nakaintindi, no, sa kondisyon ni Onesimus. So another chance. Bigyan natin ng chance ang sino man na nagkakamali because they might be developed in due time. Paul knew what it meant to be given another chance after past wrongs. Alam nyo naman sa Acts chapter 9 verse 26 to 28, no, nagkamali din si Paul. He knew personally the transformation God can accomplish. Now he saw in the life of Onesimus, the Lord can chisel His image on our flawed lives and make us beautiful and useful too. Gagamitin tayo ng Panginoon, mga kapatid. Kayang ayusin ng Panginoon yung mga bako-bakong part ng buhay natin, parang isang sculpture. Lastly, I want to challenge you. Our rough edges must be chipped away to bring out the image of Christ. Ang gusto pong mangyari ng Panginoon natin ay maging kawangis tayo sa Kanya. Kaya may mga panahon po na para po tayong chinisel, no? Parang kinuha yung mga rough edges na meron tayo. Because God's desire is for us to become like Him. Remember this, God always gives us another chance. Therefore, we will also give another chance to anyone who fails. Baka pa po magbago sila. God bless po at magandang umaga.